For the full year, we returned to growth, improved our operating margins and our EPS positive growth. And so what you saw was the acceleration of our cloud, data and analytics, still very important and growing. And you saw what we call our cognitive, our AI businesses as part of that. Our solutions all did well in our services business. So really, all the businesses did a really good job.
What are you seeing from businesses today in terms of executives putting new money to some of these services? Yeah. How does the pipeline look?
Yeah, this is interesting because as I sort of step back and look around the world, every so often do you see a change? And you can actually see a change in what people are looking at. There are some things that are the same. So one is everyone is really still investing and believing, as I do, that data, AI are going to allow them to fundamentally compete differently. And so it's got to do about their decision making, about improving every process. That stays the same. But I flip to the other side. I do see a remix in what people are looking for now, and I think it says something about what's in front of us. I would have seen all or many proposals all around innovation. Now they're a blend between innovation and cost savings. So you see this productivity focus coming back in. So that's usually when people say, look, I'm going to bet on this, but I'm also I want this to return faster. So you see projects coming in a shorter period of time. So I think you see people starting to react to some uncertainty and saying, I'm going to play both sides of this at the same time, productivity as well as my innovation at the same time.
See, that worries me a little for the broad economy, because I know when there's uncertainties, and there have been obviously uncertainties with the government shutdown, with the tariffs, people sit on cash. Yes. So do you think they'll be sitting on cash, or are there certain areas, like you just mentioned, that are just must invest?
Yeah, no, there are must invest, and I think you also see they're still investing, but it's in areas that not only in front side digital, they're looking at their core systems and saying, hey, these could perform better, and they'll perform with some productivity and efficiency. So you see both sides.
What kind of a 19 are you expecting?
Look, I think a 19, as I look around the world, I see all different segments continuing to plan on there being growth. And so they are continuing to do their investment. But again, I sort of repeat myself, they're saying, but I'm going to play both sides, and I'm going to also be ready with a productivity play as well.
Can you compare the U.S. to the rest of the world? Because, of course, we've got some messiness, noise in Europe, whether it be London and the U.K. or France or Italy and its budget issues. And then, of course, we saw some slower numbers in China, but 6.4% is still pretty good. Yes. Emerging markets also. How do you see those areas?
Yes. Look, I see in the U.S. Many of the same things that people were focused on. Again, enter the productivity play at the same time. And then obviously in the U.K., you see folks that are still planning for all of us planning for multiple scenarios. But I still see the car companies in Germany, whatever it is, are proceeding down their plans still of transformation. And again, but with shorter time frames as they look at projects. So they put more milestones in. That's, I think, the best way to describe the difference in how you see demand. People looking at closer in milestones so they can make go, no-go decisions.